Are you ready to invest in the tools to bring your videos to the next level? Hi, I'm Valent now, corporate headshot and branding photographers based in Sydney. Today I'm going to show you 3 tools under $150 that will make your DIY videos more awesome. Firstly, lighting. Good lighting will reduce the noise visible in your videos. Even if you have a room with a big window, you can use a video light to make you pop. These come in various sizes. This one has 160 LEDs. The bigger the panel, the brighter it will be. A bigger panel also means softer light, but you'll probably need to quadruple the size of a panel to begin to see a difference. Some are dimmable, which won't be relevant unless you have a huge one. Some have reflectors like this one for directing the light creatively. Expect to spend about $50 to $100 for something with about 200 to 300 LEDs. I could talk for hours on positioning, but the basic setup is having the light straight in front and above. This lights your face evenly and puts your shadow below you so it doesn't distract. The next most important part of a video is your voice. Viewers will not tolerate a video where they struggle to understand you. Having a quality microphone is essential. There are 2 main types of mics suitable for this purpose. The first is a lapel mic. You clip it onto your shirt and wire it back to your phone. It's inexpensive, but care must be taken how you place it. You may pick up the clothes rustling, and if you move your head in relation to the mic, the volume may be distorted. If you have more than one person, then each person needs a separate mic. The second type is a shotgun mic. It is directional and more sensitive to the front, helping cut out echoes and ambient noise. It doesn't need to be attached to you, so it's a bit easier to deal with. You still want it to be as close to you as possible without being in the frame of the camera. This one's $50 and doesn't take batteries. The more advanced ones take batteries and have active noise cancelling. The longer the boom, the more directional it will be, but when you're working in a small room, it will hardly make a difference. Lastly is how to secure your phone. You may be tempted to place it against a box of tissues on the table, but this forces you into a distance and angle that isn't flattering. You can buy a simple phone holder like this for under $20. They come with various types of bases and can either stand up by itself or be attached to a tripod or stand. Some of them even have a mount point for the microphone on top. As mentioned in our previous tips, set the height of your phone between the level of your eyes and your nose. This makes the audience feel like they're having a proper conversation with you, and you can make a better connection with your eye contact and expression. So there you have it, 3 tools that cost under $150 and give you the edge in your DIY videos.